Welcome to the Quiz Professor channel. You're going to face 60 exciting questions, and you'll have just 10 seconds for each one. Every correct answer earns you 1 point. So, stay focused, stay sharp, and think fast. A huge thank you to everyone who left a comment on our last video. You guys are absolutely awesome. Want to hear your name shouted out in the next video? Leave a comment down below and become a part of the Quiz Prof crew. Now, tap subscribe. Ready for the first round? Which bird can fly backwards? Hummingbird or eagle? It's the hummingbird. Their wings can beat up to 80 times per second. How many hearts does an octopus have? Three! 2 pump blood to the gills, 1 to the body. Which animal has fingerprints almost identical to humans? Koala! Even under a microscope, they are hard to tell apart. Which is the only mammal capable of true flight? Bat! Other flying mammals actually just glide. What color is a giraffe's tongue? Purple/black. The dark color protects their tongues from sunburn. Which animal never sleeps? Bullfrog. Studies show they don't have a sleep state. A group of owls is called what? A parliament. They are often associated with wisdom and law. Which animal can see both infrared and ultraviolet light? Mantis shrimp. They have the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom. Which male animal gives birth to its young? Seahorse! The female deposits eggs into the male's pouch. How many legs does a spider have? Eight! Spiders are arachnids, not insects. Which animal has the strongest bite force? Nile crocodile. Their bite is 8 times stronger than a great white shark. Which can run faster, an ostrich or a horse? Ostrich. Ostriches can reach speeds of 70 kilometers per hour. Which sea creature can regrow its entire body from a single arm? Starfish. Some species only need a part of the central disc. What is a group of crows called? A murder. It's an old term based on folklore. Which land animal has the largest eyes? Ostrich! Their eyes are actually bigger than their brains. How many noses does a slug have? Four. They are used for sensing smells and chemicals. Which animal is known to have the best memory? Elephant. They can remember locations and friends for decades. Which insect can look over its shoulder? Praying mantis. They are the only insects that can rotate their heads. What is the fastest aquatic animal? Sailfish. They can swim up to 110 kilometers per hour. Which animal's heart is located in its head? Shrimp! Their heart is found in the cephalothorax. Which animal can sleep while standing up? Horse! They have a stay apparatus in their legs. What is the only continent where bees are not found? Antarctica. It is too cold for bees to survive. Which bird is the universal symbol of peace? Dove, usually depicted with an olive branch. How many bones do sharks have? Zero. Their skeletons are made of cartilage. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion, even though they mostly live in grasslands. Which animal can change its gender? Clownfish. If the lead female dies, the male changes to female. What is the smallest bird in the world? Bee hummingbird. It is only about 5 centimeters long. Which animal has the longest pregnancy? Elephant. It lasts nearly 22 months. A group of lions is called a pride, usually led by one or two dominant males. Which animal is the primary symbol of the WWF? Panda, inspired by Chi-Chi, a panda at London Zoo. Which mammal has the most powerful kick? Zebra. Their kick can be fatal to a lion. Which bird can imitate human speech? Parrot. Some species can learn hundreds of words. How many stomachs does a cow have? Four. Each compartment helps digest tough grass. Which animal creates the largest webs? Bark spider. Their webs can span across entire rivers. Which animal can survive in space? Tardigrade. Also known as water bears, they are nearly indestructible. Which cat is the only one that cannot retract its claws? Cheetah. Their claws act like running spikes for grip. Which animal produces pink milk? Hippo. It is a mix of white milk and red/orange acids. Which animal is the largest primate? Gorilla. Males can weigh over 200 kilograms. Which bird lays the largest egg? Ostrich. One egg is equivalent to about 24 chicken eggs. Which animal can hold its breath the longest? Cuvier's whale. They can stay underwater for nearly 4 hours. Which animal has the most legs? Millipede. One species has over 1,300 legs. Which animal is immune to most snake venom? Mongoose. They have evolved special receptors in their cells. Which animal uses ultrasound to navigate? Bat. They have evolved special receptors in their cells. Which is the world's most poisonous fish? Stonefish. Their spines contain highly toxic venom. Which bird sleeps for only seconds at a time? Frigate bird. They can sleep while flying over the ocean. Which animal's stripes are like human fingerprints? Tiger. Their skin is also striped under the fur. Which animal has the longest lifespan? Greenland shark. They can live for over 400 years. Which animal is the tallest in the world? Giraffe. They can reach heights of nearly 6 meters. Which animal can taste with its feet? Butterfly. They use sensors on their feet to find host plants. Which animal is known to laugh? Hyena. Their vocalizations sound like human laughter. Which animal has the thickest fur? Sea otter. They have up to 1 million hairs per square inch. Which animal is the symbol of Australia? Kangaroo. They appear on the Australian coat of arms. Which animal can live for a week without its head? Cockroach. They breathe through small holes in their body. Which animal is the fastest in the air? Peregrine falcon. They dive at speeds over 320 kilometers per hour. Which animal is the largest land mammal? African elephant. They can weigh up to 6 tons. Which animal can change its color to blend in? Chameleon. They use it for camouflage and communication. Which animal is the symbol of wisdom? Owl, associated with Athena in Greek mythology. Which animal has no brain or heart? Jellyfish. They are 95% water. Which animal is the best friend of man? Dog. They were the first animals to be domesticated. Final question. Which animal is the largest on Earth? whale, even larger than the biggest dinosaurs. Great work today, everyone. Thank you for playing along with us. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more fun challenges. Tap on the next video and let's keep the fun going. See you next time.